Imagine a future where we live for 300 years, teleport across the galaxy, and even upload our minds into digital heavens. This isn't science fiction anymore. These are the technologies shaping our destiny right now, from superintelligent AI to warp drives. Today, we're exploring 20 insane technologies that could totally transform human civilization, science, and even the universe itself. Buckle up, because some of these will blow your mind. Like, subscribe and hit the 4 more future tech content. 1. Superintelligent AI. Unlike today's narrow AI like Siri or Chat, superintelligent AI would outperform humans in every task. From scientific research to global governance, it could solve climate change, cure diseases, and manage cities better than any government. But it also raises serious ethical questions. Who controls it? 2. Radical life extension. Think about rejuvenating cells, reversing aging, or even replacing worn-out organs like car parts. Biotech and nanomedicine may soon allow us to live for centuries, not just decades, but living 200 years. That changes everything. Family, work, education, even our sense of identity. 3. Hive minds and telepathy. Neural interfaces like Elon Musk's Neuralink are just the beginning. Soon, we might communicate directly, brain to brain. No speaking, no typing. Imagine instant collaboration, shared emotions, or global empathy networks. But what about privacy? 4. Designer babies and genetic upgrades. CRISPR and genetic editing will let parents customize intelligence, looks, or even talents in their children. It's the start of biological design, but it brings ethical chaos. Who gets access? What happens to natural evolution? 5. Transhumanism. Transhumanism merges tech with biology, robotic limbs, brain implants, augmented vision. It's about enhancing humans beyond biology. Think Iron Man, but real. 6. Warp drives and wormholes. Faster than light travel could become real, using exotic matter or bending. This tech could make interstellar travel happen in days instead of centuries. Colonizing other star systems might be closer than we think. 7. Dyson swarms. Massive solar collector networks around the sun could provide limitless clean energy for millennia. This would power entire planets, space stations, and energy-hungry tech like replicators and quantum computers. 8. Terraforming planets, turning Mars, Venus, or even moons into livable worlds. Some physicists think we could tap them for propulsion or infinite power. With atmosphere generators, geoengineering, and nuclear warmth, we might build Earth 2.0 in our lifetime. 9. Black hole power. Yes, black holes. They're extreme energy sources, but it's risky business. Even getting close could be catastrophic. 10. Gravitational wave propulsion. Why push rockets when you can surf gravity? Manipulating gravitational waves could lead to silent, ultra-fast travel, even across galaxies. 11. Digital afterlife. Imagine uploading your consciousness into a computer and living in a virtual paradise. This could redefine death and immortality. But are you still you, in digital form? 12. Fully immersive virtual reality. We're talking full sensory VR touch, smell, even pain, education, entertainment, relationships, work. Everything could happen inside simulated worlds. 13. Programmable matter objects that change shape on command, like liquid metal furniture or clothes that morph into armor. It's like magic, but with 14. Asterisk matter replicators need food, clothes, even a phone, just printed at the atomic level. Say goodbye to factories, and hello to post-scarcity society. Section 4. Superintelligence and surveillance. 15. Quantum computing. Quantum computers can solve in seconds what would take regular computers millennia. This will supercharge AI, break encryption, and revolutionize science. 16. Personal health pods. Imagine having a Star Trek-style scanner at home that tracks your health 24/7. Early disease detection, instant diagnostics, even at-home surgeries could be reality. 17. Smart dust networks. Tiny invisible sensors floating in the air monitoring everything. Pollution, health, infrastructure. It's real-time, planetary scale awareness. But how do we protect privacy? 18. Force fields. Using plasma and electromagnetics, future vehicles and buildings might be shielded like sci-fi movies. Physical protection against bullets, heat, even radiation. 19. Climate control and circular economies. Tech like smart dust And Dyson swarms could help reverse climate change by managing resources precisely. The Earth becomes a smart planet, balanced and sustainable. These techs don't evolve in isolation. Superintelligent AI plus quantum computing plus biotechnology equals a future far beyond what we can currently imagine. It's exponential, not linear. And the future is arriving fast. These technologies will change not just how we live, but what it means to be human. From conquering death to mastering the stars, the 21st century is our launchpad into something far bigger. Which of these future technologies excites you the most, or scares you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that to stay updated on the future before it arrives. This is Automated Word, decoding tomorrow's tech today.